Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Oh, fine. Thank you. And
Okay,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Thanks for
Yeah.
asking.
Yes. But
Good morning, yeah?
yeah. Uh, I I'm just wake up.
Okay, I just woke up.
I just woke up. Yes. So
Okay, no
little
problem.
sleepy. I'm so little sleepy.
Yeah,
Yes.
I understand.
Thank
I
you.
understand.
Yeah. What time is
Okay,
it now?
it's midnight.
Midnight. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so by the way, my name is Peter. What's your name?
Peter. My name is John. Nice to meet
Hmm,
you. Um,
nice to meet you
Uh,
too, Jin.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'm taking a look at your request. And your request says, I'm
Oh,
not yet good at listening.
yes.
I hope you can talk slowly today, okay?
Yes.
I'm doing a YouTube video to document the process of my English improvement.
Yes.
Can I upload this lesson?
Okay.
No problem.
Yes. Thank you for
You're
answering.
welcome.
But my uh, this
This
sorry,
lesson?
this words I'm going a YouTube video to document the process of my English improvement. Is
Yeah.
is English correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Is correct.
Yes.
Please more.
Um,
Please more. Uh, Better English at this sentence. Please
okay,
correct
better
my
English for
yeah
this sentence. Okay.
yes. Please typing uh,
I'm
okay
I'm not yet good at listening.
yes
I hope you can talk slowly today. I'm doing a YouTube video to document the process of my English improvement. It's okay, there is nothing else to add.
okay. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
right, so let's start the lesson. Are you ready?
Yes. Sorry. Beginner grammar 19.
19.
19.
All right?
It's this
Yes?
this lesson is finished. Next.
Oh, you've done that? All
Yes.
right, please select the next textbook.
Okay. Next.
Okay.
Yeah. Grammar beginner 20.
All right, so you're
Okay.
done with 19. Now we are in 20. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
All
Please.
right, so our
Yeah.
lesson for today is grammar beginner
Yes.
number 20.
Number 20.
And the
Yes.
title is He Looks Nervous.
He looks nervous.
That's great.
Yes.
Now please
Okay.
check today's goal.
Oh, yes. To be able to use verbs of per-
Perception.
perception.
That's great.
Yes. Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Now let's move on to today's phrase. Please
Please.
repeat after me twice.
Yes, twice.
He looks nervous.
He looks nervous.
He looks nervous.
He looks nervous.
You sound different and you even look pale.
Well, you sound different, and you even look pale.
You sound different and you even look pale.
Pale. You sound different, and you even look pale. Mm,
That's sweet.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
All right.
Now let's check today's grammar point.
Yes.
And today's grammar point is the verb of perception plus adjective.
Mm,
Now let's read together.
yes.
Please repeat after me. Look,
look,
sound,
sound,
taste,
taste,
smell,
smell,
feel,
feel,
seem.
see. Okay.
That's great. Do you have any question?
Oh, sorry. 思ってた。I think so far look and seems same meaning. But no, not same.
No. Yeah,
No,
not same meaning.
Not same. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. That's great.
yeah. Yeah. Okay.
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 So let's move on to new words and expressions.
Yes.
Please check the direction.
Yes. Listen and repeat after your teacher.
That's great. Now let's have the first word.
Yes.
I'll play the audio for US pronunciation. Please listen carefully.
Okay.
It starts now.
Okay.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Let's take the example. Please repeat after me. He looks nervous.
He looks nervous.
Listen to the next word.
Yes.
Ceremony.
Ceremony.
It's an opening ceremony for a new restaurant.
It's an opening ceremony for a new restaurant.
Listen to the next word.
Pale.
Pale.
You look pale.
You look pale.
Listen to the next word.
Yes.
Tense.
Tense.
I feel tense.
I feel tense.
Listen to the next word.
Weird.
Weird.
The food tastes weird.
The food tastes weird.
Listen to the last word.
Yes.
Rotten.
Rotten.
It's rotten.
It's rotten.
That's great.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you have any question?
Yes. Nervous and tense is same meaning.
Okay. Yes, it's yeah. How will I put
I
it?
feel tense.
Similar.
Similar.
meaning.
Similar. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Similar. Oh, yes. Okay. Thank you. And
Welcome.
in this case, he looks nervous, and or he seems nervous. Similar meaning.
Yes.
Yes. What use
So
to what?
he looks nervous.
He looks nervous, or he
Yes.
seems.
When you look at him,
Yes.
you can see he's nervous.
Nervous. Yes.
He seems nervous. You are assuming you're trying to. You're not really sure if he's nervous. You don't have a full conclusion. You don't have a concrete evidence that he is nervous. That's why you use the word seems. He seems nervous.
Seems nervous.
Yes. He looks nervous. That is, you are very sure that he is nervous.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
All right.
Mm, hmm. Usually use he looks nervous.
Yes,
Popular.
when the person, yes,
Popu-
he looks nervous. Yes,
yes. Okay. Thank you.
you're welcome. Okay,
Okay.
let's move on.
Okay. Yes.
Now we'll practice the short conversation. Please check
Yes.
the direction.
Yes. Read the following conversation with your teacher.
That's great. Now let's listen to the audio of the conversation first.
Yes.
I'll play the audio.
Yes.
Listen carefully.
Yes. Okay.
It starts now.
Okay.
Sarah and Lydia are at Lydia's husband, John's new restaurant, for its opening ceremony.
Hey, Lydia, what's wrong with John? He looks so nervous.
Oh, he has to give a big speech for the ceremony today, so I think he is nervous.
I see. You sound a bit different, and you even look pale. Are you all right?
Yes, I am. I just feel tense, you know?
Right, I understand. I'm sure he will do great, so don't worry too much.
Yeah, I know, but I'm worried. I can't even eat the food. It doesn't taste right.
Oh, wait. The food smells weird. It's not you. I think it's rotten.
Okay, that's
Okay.
great.
Okay.
Now, let's read the conversation together.
Yes.
Please repeat after me.
Yes.
We'll start by reading the situation first. Now the situation.
Yes.
Sarah and Lydia are at Lydia's husband, John's new restaurant for its opening ceremony.
Yes. Sarah and Lydia are at Lydia's husband John's new restaurant for its opening ceremony.
Hey Lydia,
Hey Lydia,
what's wrong with John?
what's wrong with John?
He looks so nervous.
He looks so nervous.
Oh, he has to give a big speech for the ceremony today.
Oh, he has to give a big speech for the ceremony today.
So I think he is nervous.
So I think he's nervous.
I see.
I see.
You sound a bit different and you even look pale.
You sound a bit different, and you even look pale.
Are you alright?
Are you right?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
I just feel tense, you know?
I just feel tense, you know?
Right. I understand.
Right, I understand.
I'm sure he will do great. So don't worry too much.
I'm sure he will do great, so don't worry too much.
Yeah, I know. But I'm worried.
Yeah, I know, but I'm worried.
I can't even eat the food.
I can't even eat the food.
It doesn't taste right.
It doesn't taste right.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait.
The food smells weird.
The food smells weird.
It's not you.
It's not you.
I think it's rotten.
I think it's rotten. Okay.
All right.
Right.
Now, Let's do a role play.
Yes.
I'll be Sarah and you be Lydia.
Okay.
Let's start. Hey Lydia, what's wrong with John? He looks so nervous.
Oh, he has to give a big speech for the ceremony today. So I think he is nervous.
I see. You sound a bit different. And you even look pale. Are you alright?
Yes, I am. I just feel tense, you know?
Right. I understand. I'm sure he'll do great. So don't worry too much.
Yeah, I know. But I'm worried. I can't even eat the food. It doesn't taste right.
Oh, wait. The food smells weird. It's not you. I think it's rotten.
Okay.
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 Now let's switch roles.
Yes. Okay. Hey, Lydia. What's wrong with John? He looks so nervous.
Oh. He has to give a big speech for the ceremony today. So I think he's nervous.
I see. You sound a bit different. And you even look pale. Are you right? Are you alright?
Yes, I am. I just feel tense. You know?
Right. I understand. I'm sure he will go. Sure he will do great. So don't worry too much.
Yeah, I know. But I'm worried. I can't even eat the food. It doesn't taste right.
Oh wait, the food smells weird. It's not you. I think it's rotten.
Okay,
Okay.
that's great.
Thank you.
High five.
Yeah.
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 All right.
Yeah.
Now let's move on to question. Please check the direction.
Okay. Answer the following questions about the story.
All right. Let's
Yeah.
start. Number 1.
Yes.
Why does John seem nervous?
Yes. John
Sorry.
John is John has to John have to give a big speech for the ceremony today.
Okay. So because.
Huh? So
Yeah,
because
alright. Check. Yeah.
sorry, yes, because he has to. Okay, because he has to give a big speech for the ceremony today.
That's sweet.
Okay.
Alright.
Why answer is because.
Because is a conjunction.
Conjunction.
Yes. So it's used to join words.
Okay. Joint words. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, now let's have the next question.
Yes.
How is Lydia doing?
Oh, how is Lydia doing? Lydia. Lydia is just feel tense.
Okay. Lydia feels
Lydia
tense.
feels tense. Lydia feels tense.
That's great.
Oh,
Alright.
not use
Yes.
just. Not use just.
No, just.
No. Just is I. Only I. I just.
No.
No.
Not only I. You can use just in several ways, but in this context, you don't need just.
Yeah, she feels tense. She feels tense.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
All right. Now let's have the last one.
Yes.
Why doesn't the food taste right?
Why doesn't because 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 uh, because it because the food is rotten. Okay, it's rotten.
Okay. Not rotten. Not is.
Is
Yes, is means you have a concrete evidence that it's rotten.
it's wrong.
But when you check the conversation, it says I think
I
it's
think
rotten.
yes.
So
So
because
they think the food is rotten.
that's great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But I think it's rotten. Is actually rotten?
It may not be rotten. It may be rotten. Do you understand? It's an. I think it's doesn't
Yes.
mean it is.
It
Do you
is.
understand? It may not. So when you're not very sure, that's when you
Yes.
use I think or
I
I
think.
feel.
I feel. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Any other question?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. I have no question.
Okay. So let's
Okay.
move on to exercise.
Yes.
Please check the direction.
Yes. Look at the following pictures and talk about them using the verbs of perception.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's start with the example.
Yes.
Are they happy?
Are they happy? Yes.
Read you. Yes.
Oh, yes, they look happy.
The next one. Yes.
Oh, yes, they seem happy. Seem happy.
Yes, they seem happy. Okay, that's great.
Wow.
Now we have the verbs. Okay.
What? Two sentence. Two sentence.
Yes, you can use any of them. You can use look or you can use seem. Okay.
Oh, okay. Two sentence is okay. Okay.
Not you. What it's trying to tell you is that you can use any of the two.
Any of the two.
If you say yes, they look happy, it's correct.
It's correct.
If you say yes, they seem happy, it's still correct.
It's correct.
Yes. So any.
Any
Correct.
case is okay.
Yes.
Okay. You don't have to choose between them. Between?
Yeah, you don't have to choose between them. You don't have to use any.
Any.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
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 All right. Now let's have number one.
Number one.
Is she sick?
Is she sick?
Yes.
Yes. She looks sick.
That's sweet.
Okay. Yes, she looks
Number
sick.
two.
Okay.
They are arguing. Is he upset?
There I. Wow. He is upset.
They are arguing. Is he upset?
He upset. Yes. He looks upset. He looks upset.
He sounds.
He
That's why you feel
sounds.
he's upset from the sound of his voice.
Wow.
Okay. Our time is up.
Thank you. 聞こえむずいな。サウンズとルックスはどう違うの